Good morning dear students. In your previous video class, you learnt about how to find a cube root by using prime factorization method and estimation method. In this class, we will solve exercise problems. Okay children? Now come to exercise 1.2. Come to first main. Find the cube root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Children, now let us find the cube root of the number 64 using prime factorization. Yes. Now come to solution. 64 is introduced into prime factorization method. Let us take 2 is the first prime number. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 here. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. From 2, 2 8s are 16. Again with 2, 2 4s are 8. From 2, 2 2s are 4. Again from 2, 2 1s are 2. Now grouping the numbers in threes like this. Yes, 64 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube. Now 64 is equal to 2 into 2 whole to the power of cube. Now 2 2s are how much? 4. 4 cube 64. Now cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Cube root of the given number 64 is 4. Children, now come to second problem. Second problem is 512. Yes, now come to solution. 512 is introduced into prime factorization method. Now let us start with 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, it become a 10. Sorry, it become 11. 2 5s are 10, 1 is remaining, it become 12. 2 6 are 12. Again from 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now from 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. From 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. From 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. From 2, 2 8s are 16. From 2, 2 4s are 8. Again from 2, 2 2s are 4. From 2. Now grouping the numbers in threes like this. Now written 512 is equal to 2 to the power of cube into 2 to the power of cube into 2 to the power of cube. Now write all the bases in the bracket and write common power. Now multiply these. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 cube. 512 is equal to 800 cube. Now cube root of 512 is equal to 8. Is equal to 8. Children, now come to third problem. Third problem is 10,648. Now let us find the cube root of this number. Introduce the given number into prime factorization. Now start with 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now again with 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, it becomes 13. 2 6 are 12, 1 is remaining, it becomes 12. 2 6 are 12. Now 2 2s are 4. Now again from 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Now let us start with 11 because the remaining number 1331 is completely divided by 11. So let us take 11. 11 ones are 11. 2 is remaining, it becomes 23. Now take 11 2s are 22. 1 is remaining, it becomes 11. 11 ones are 11. Okay. Next, again take 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. Now from 11, 11 ones are 11. Grouping the numbers in threes like this. Now therefore 10,648 is equal to 2 to the power of cube into 11 to the power of cube. Now write 2 into 11 inside the bracket and put common power. Yes, 2 11s are 22 whole to the power of 3. 10,648. Now cube root of 10,648 is equal to 22 is equal to 22. Okay children. Now let's come to fourth problem. Okay children. Fourth problem is 27,000. Now start with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 is remaining, 2 5s are 10, 0, 0. Again from 2. 2 6s are 12, 1 is remaining, that become 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 is remaining, it become 10, 2 5s are 10, 0. Now from 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 1 is remaining, it become 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 is remaining, it become 10, 2 5s are 10. See children, the remaining number is ended with 5. So now let us take 5. Now start from 5. 5 6 are 30, 3 is remaining, this become 37, 5 7s are 35, 2 is remaining, that become a 25, 5 5s are 25. Now again from 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 here. Again 2 is remaining, 5 5s are 25. From 5. 2s are 10, 3 is remaining, this become a 35. 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35. Now let us take a 3. 3 9s are 27. Let us take again with 3. 3 3s are 9. From 3 1s. Now grouping the numbers like this in 3s as 27,000 is equal to 2 to the power of cube into 5 to the power of cube into 3 to the power of cube. Now let us arrange in increasing order. 2 to the power of cube into 3 to the power of cube into 5 to the power of cube. Write numbers at inside. 3 into 2 into 5 and put common bracket. Now let us multiply. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are how much? 30. 30 to the power of cube. 27,000 is equal to 30 cube. Now cube root of 27,000 is equal to 30. Is equal to 30. Children, now come to fifth problem. Come to solution. 15,625 introduced into prime factorization. Start with 5 now. 5 3s are 15. 5 is there 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again from 5. 5 6 are 30, 1 is remaining, that become 12. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again from 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again from 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. From 5. 5 5s are 25. Now 5 1s are 5. Now grouping the numbers in 3s like this. Therefore 15,625 is equal to 5 cube into 5 cube. Yes, now see here 5 into 5 whole to the power of cube. 5 5s are how much? 25 cube. Yes, 15,625 is written as 25 cube. Yes, cube root of 15,625 is equal to how much? 25. Is equal to 25. Okay children, now come to sixth problem, that is 13,824. Now let us introduce this given number into prime factorization method. Okay children, again now start with 2. 2 how much is possible here? 2 6 are 12, 1 is remaining, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. From 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. From 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now from 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Yes. Now start again from 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. From 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. From 2, 2 1s are 2, 0 here, 2 8s are 16. From 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. From 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. See children, this number is completely divided by 3 only. Yes, 3 9s are 27. From 3 now, 3 3s are 9. From 3, 3 1s are 3. Yes, now let us grouping the numbers in 3s. Here itself, after write at one side. 13,824 is equal to 2 to the power of cube into 2 to the power of cube into 2 to the power of cube into 3 to the power of cube. Yes, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 whole to the power of 3 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are how much? 24. 24 to the power of cube. 13,824 is equal to 24 cube. Now, cube root of 13,824 is equal to 24. Look at children here. Now, we have to write 3 inside this root like this. Children, now come to 7th problem. 7th problem is like this. 1,10,592. Now let us find the cube root of this number by using prime factorization. Now start from 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 here, 1 is remaining, 2 9s are 18, now 2 6 are 12. From 2 now, 2 2s are 4, see now 1 is remaining, it become a 15, now 2 7s are 14, 1 is remaining, 2 6s are 12, now 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining, this become a 16, 2 8s are 16. Now from 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. From 2, 2 how much is possible? 2 6s are 12, 1 is remaining, it become 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. From 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining, it become 11, 2 5s are 10. This become a 12, 2 6 are 12. From 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, 2 8s are 16. Now from 2, 2 how much is possible here? 2 8s are 16, 1 is remaining, 2 6 are 12, yes, 2 4s are 8. From 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. From 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. From again 2, 2 1s are 2, 0 here, 2 8s are 16. Now from 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. From 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now look at children, this 27 is completely divided by 9. Here, now let us take 3. 3 9s are 27, now 3 3s are 9, from 3 now, 3 1s are 3. Now grouping the numbers like this. One group 2 to the power of cube, another one 2 to the power of cube, another one group 2 to the power of cube, another one group 2 to the power of cube. The last group is 3 to the power of cube. Okay children, now let us write. Therefore 1,10,592 is equal to 2 to the power of cube into 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 3 to the power of cube. Here there are 4 2 to the power of cube is there. Now write all the bases inside the bracket and put power and write common power. Yes, now let us multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are how much? 16 3s are 48. 48 to the power of cube. Therefore, cube root of 1,10,592 is equal to 48 is equal to 48. Children, now come to 8th problem. 8th problem is like this, 46,656. Okay children, now let us finding the cube root of this number. See here, now start with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now from 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 here. Again 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. From 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. From 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Yes, from 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. From 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. See children, the number is ended with 9. Says, now let us take the number 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. From 3 now, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. From 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. From 3, 3 9s are 27. From 3, 3 3s are 9. From 3, 3 1s are 3. Yes, now let us grouping the number in 3s. 2 to the power of cube, 2 to the power of cube, now 3 to the power of cube, now 3 to the power of cube. Therefore, 46,656 is equal to 2 to the power of cube into 2 to the power of cube into 3 to the power of cube into 3 to the power of cube. Yes, now let us write inside the bracket. Write all the bases inside the bracket and put common power. 2 to the 2 into 2 become a 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are how much? 36. Yes, 46,656 is equal to 36 cube. Now cube root of 46,656 is equal to 36 is equal to 36. Children, now come to the 8th problem is 1,75,616. Now start from 2. 2 how much are possible? 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. Now 0 here. Now 2 8s are 16. Now from 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 9s are 18, 0 2 2s are 4. From 2 now, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Now children, see now here, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 0 here, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, this become 19, 2 9s are 18, 1 is remaining, this become 10, 2 5s are 10. Now 2 2s are 4. From 2 now, 2 1s are 2, 0 here, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 12. From 2 now, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 8 is 16. From 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Now from 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. From 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 is 16, 2 6 are 12. From 2, 2 1s are 2, 2, how much is possible here? See children here, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now see children, the number is ended with 3. Now let us start with dividing this number by using 7. 7 how much are possible? 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63. Now start from, now again with the 7 7s are 49. From 7 ones are 7, like this, and grouping the numbers. Now let us write 1,75,616 is equal to 2 to the power of cube into 2 to the power of cube into 2 to the power of cube into 7 to the power of cube, and write all inside the bracket and put the common power. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are how much? 56. 4 to the power of cube is cube root of. Now cube root of 1,75,616 is equal to 56. Okay children, now come to the last problem of this exercise, that is 10th problem. The 10th problem is like this: 91,125. 125. Yes, this is introduced into prime factorization method. Now start from 5. See and look at here. 5 ones are 5. 4 is remaining, that become 41. 5 8s are 40. 1 is remaining, that become 11. 5 2s are 10. 1 is remaining, that become 12. 5 2s are 12. Now 2 is remaining, that become 25. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Yes. Next 8th 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 is remaining, that become 32. 5 6 are 30. 2 is remaining, that become 22. Yes. 5 4s are 20. 2 is remaining, this become 25. 5 5s are 25. Again take 5. 5 7s are 35. 1 is remaining, that become 14. 5 2s are 10. 4 is remaining, that become 45. 5 9s are 45. Look at children, this number is ended with 9. So now let us take the number prime number 3. Now 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining, that become 12. 3 4s are 12. Yes, 3 3s are 9. Again from 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. From 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 is remaining, that become 21. 3 7s are 21. Now 3 9s are 27. Now 3 3s are 9. Now 3 1s are 3. This 91,125 is equal to 5 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. Now multiply all the bases and write at one side and take the whole power cube. Now 5 3s are 15. 15 3s are 45 cube is cube root of 91,125 is equal to 45. Children, now come to exercise 1.2 second main, true or false. See now first one, cube of any odd number is even. No, this is false because you learnt about already in your previous video class. The cube of odd number is odd, the cube of even number is even. Yes, now go to the second. A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. Yes, a perfect cube doesn't end with 2 zeros. This is true. It is always end with 3 zeros. Now come to third one. If square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. No, this is not true. This is a false statement. Now come to fourth. There is no perfect cube which ends with 8. Which ends with 8. This is also a false. As there are some cubes that end with 8. For example, 10,648. 10,648 is a cube number. Now come to fifth one. the cube of 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. Sometimes it takes 3 numbers, sometimes it takes more than 3. That's why it is a false statement. Now come to the 6th. The cube of a 2-digit number may have seen or more digits. Yes, the cube of 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits. This is also false. More than 7, it is not or possible. Let's now come to the last problem, the last statement. The cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. Yes, may be a single or may not be. This statement is true. This statement is true. For example, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, but 3 cube become how much? 27. Due to that reason, the cube of a single digit number may be a single or it may not be a single. Sometimes it takes single digits, sometimes it takes 2 digits. Children, now come to the third main of your exercise. Yes, what is asking in that exercise? You are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization? Without factorization, what is a cube root? What is a cube root? Children, all of you recall, we have learnt about this, the estimation method in your previous video class. Yes. Now let us using that knowledge finding the cube root without factorization. Okay. In the step 1. In step 1, write the given number and grouping the numbers in threes. I told you we start from right to left. The grouping numbers 3. Grouping the number in threes. So first group takes 331. The second group is only 1. In the step 2, look at children, 331. Yes, the unit place number is 1. Unit place number is 1. Yes, this gives the clue about the cube root of the given number is having 1 in their unit place. Therefore, cube root of given number is having 1 in its unit place. Okay, children. Next, in the step 3. This is step 2. In the step 3. Now take the second group. The second group is having only 1. Second group is having only 1. I told you children, the second group number is right in between the two cubes. Before that number is write 1 cube. After that number writing the 1 cube. But the number is 1 here. The number is only 1 here. That's why it is not possible to write before and after positive cubes. For that reason, now let us going to start with this one to count the number what we seen up to 1 in the unit place of the number. Yes, see children, now let us going to start the number 11, 12, 13, 14. Look at in those numbers, which number is ended with 1? Yes, 11 is the only number is ended with 1. We count the numbers, we start from 1. That is become 11, 12 like that. We seen 1 in the unit place of the 11 only. Unit place of 11. Therefore, cube root of 1331 is equal to 11. Cube root of 1311 is equal to 11. 103,031 is equal to 11. Yes, children, the chapter is completed now. I hope that all of you understood very well. Thank you.